Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alaikum, dear students. Today we will solve new syllabus mathematics D2 chapter number 2, expansion and factorization of quadratic expressions. In exercise 2b, today we will solve intermediate level question number 3 and 4. In question number 3, factorize each of the following expression completely. In A part, minus A square plus 2A plus 35. First of all, we can multiplying the minus A with plus 35. Minus 1 multiplied by 35, answer is 35. Now we can midterm breaking of 2 into 2 parts. Addition answer is plus 2 and multiply answer is 35. So minus 5 plus 7 is equal to 2. Minus 5 multiplied by 7 answer is minus 35. So we can midterm breaking of 2 into 2 parts minus 5a plus 7a minus a square minus 5a plus 7a plus 35. Now taking a is common into first two parts. Minus a is common when a minus minus plus into 5. So minus a into a plus 5. Last two parts is a divisible by 7. So taking the common of 7 plus 7 into a plus 7 5 are 35 a plus 5. Here a plus 5 and a plus 5 is common in both terms. Then a plus 5 into minus a plus 7. Now in B part, minus 3b square plus 76b minus 25. Now minus 3 multiplied by minus 25, answer is 75. Midterm breaking of 76 into 2 parts, then we take the 2 digit 1 plus 75 is equal to 76, but 1 multiplied by 75, answer is 75. Now breaking of 76 into 2 parts, minus b square plus b plus 75b minus 25. Now taking the common into first two parts minus b, then we have minus b into 3b plus minus minus into 1. 3b minus 1 and second two part divisible by 25 plus 25 is common into 3b minus 1. So 3b minus 1 and 3b minus 1 is the same answer. Then 3b minus 1 is common. Remaining answer is minus b plus 25. So the final answer of B part minus 3 minus b plus 25 multiplied by 3b minus 1. Now in C part, 4c square plus 10c plus 4. First of all, 4 multiplied by 4, the answer is 16. 4 multiplied by 4, answer is 16. Now, midterm breaking of 10 into 2 parts, 2 plus 8, answer is 10, and 2 multiplied by 8, answer is 16. So, suitable value 2 and 8, midterm breaking of 10 into 2 parts, 2c plus 8c. Now we can write that 4c square plus 2c plus 8c plus 4. First of all, 2c common into first two values. 2c into 2 2 twos are 4 and c, and plus 2c is common, remaining answer is 1. 2c into 2c plus 1 and both values is divisible by 4. So taking the common of 4, remaining answer is 2c plus 1. Now 2c plus 1 and 2c plus 1 common in both values. Then we have 2c plus 1 into 2c plus 4. Here 2 is also common in this value. We can write that 2 into c plus 1 and 2c plus 1. So we have in question number D, 5d square minus 145d plus 600. First of all, 5 multiplied by 600. 5 multiplied by 600 is equal to 3000. Now, midterm breaking of 145 into 2 parts, addition answer is 145 and multiplying value is 3000. Now we're taking the two parts minus 25 and minus 120. When added both values, answer is minus 145 and minus 25 multiplied by minus 120, answer is 3000. Then 5d square minus 25d minus 120d plus 600. Now, first two values is divisible by 5 and also d is common. So 5d taking the common, then here remaining values d minus 5. And similarly, both values is divisible by 120. So taking the minus 120 is common, remaining values d minus 5. D minus 5 and D minus 5 both values are same. Taking the common D minus 5, remaining answer is 5D minus 120. So the final answer of D part D minus 5 into 5D minus 120. In E part, 8f square plus 4f minus 60. First of all, 8 multiplied by 60. 8 multiplied by minus 60 is minus 480. Now, midterm breaking of 4 into 2 parts. Addition answer is plus 4 and multiply answer is minus 480. So minus 20 plus 24 answer is 4 and 24 multiplied by minus 20 answer is minus 480. So 4 is divided into two parts plus 24 and minus 20. So we can write that 8f square plus 24f minus 20f minus 60. 8 is divisible into both values and f is also common, taking the 8f is common. When 8f is common, here remaining value f plus 3. So 8f into f plus 3 and both values are divisible by 20. So minus 20 is common into f plus 3. F plus 3 and f plus 3 taking the common, then f plus 3 into 8f minus 20 is the final answer of E part. Now in F part, 24f minus 15h minus 9. So 24 multiplied by minus 9 is equal to minus 216. Now midterm breaking of 15 into 2 parts, minus 24 plus 9, answer is minus 15. And minus 24 multiplied by 9 is equal to minus 216. So we write the midterm into two parts, minus 24 plus 9. Then we have 24x square minus 24x plus 9x minus 9. Both value is divisible by 24 and h is also common. Then 24h is common. Remaining values h minus 1. So 24h into h minus 1. And last two values both are divisible by 9. So plus 9 is common into h minus 1. The final answer of f part h minus 1 into 24h plus 9. Move to next part. In next part, G part, 30 plus 14k minus 4k square. First of all, rearrange the values with respect to variable of highest power. Now we write minus 4k square plus 14k plus 30. Now midterm breaking of 14 into two parts, minus 4 multiplied by 30 is equal to minus 120. We can midterm breaking of 14 into 2 parts, minus 6 plus 20, answer is 14. And minus 6 multiplied by 20, answer is minus 120. So we can write that minus 4k square, 4k square and minus 6k plus 20k plus 30. Now we have taking the common 2k is divisible on both terms, then minus 2k is common. Remaining answer 2 2s are 4k plus 2 3s are 6 into 3. 2k plus 3 plus 10 is divisible by both values plus 10 is common into 2k plus 3. Then final answer of G part 2k plus 3 is common and minus 2k plus 10. In last part, H part 35 m square n plus 5 mn minus 30 n. In each term, n is common and each term is divisible by 5. Now, first of all, taking the 5 n is common, then 5 sevens are 35 m square plus 5 ones are 5, remaining values m minus 5 6 are 30 minus 6. Now we can midterm breaking of 1 into 2 parts. Multiply answer is 7 6 or 42 and addition answer is 1. Taking the two parts 7 multiplied by 6 is equal to 42 minus 6 plus 7 answer is 1. So we have midterm breaking of 1 into 2 parts, then we write 5n into 7m square plus 7m minus 6m minus 6. Now 5n into 7 and m in both values are common, then 7m into m plus 1. Minus 6 is also common, minus 6 into m plus 1. M plus 1 and m plus 1 both values are common, then 5n into m plus 1 into 7m minus 6. Now the final answer is 5n into m plus 1 into 7m minus 6. In question number 4, the area of rectangle is x square plus 8x plus 12 centimeter square. If the length of rectangle is x plus 6 and breadth is x plus 2, we can solve by this question two methods. First is product method and second is factorization method. Now, first of all, factorization method. First method, area of rectangle is equal to x square plus 8x plus 12. Now we can midterm breaking of x square plus 8x plus 12. 8 ones, 12 ones are 12. Now midterm breaking of 8 into 2 parts. Then we have write that x square plus 2x plus 6x plus 12. 6 2s are 12 and 6 plus 2 is 8. Now midterm breaking of 8 into 2 parts 2x plus 6x. Then we write that x square plus 2x plus 6x plus 12. Taking x is common in first two values, then x into x plus 2. And last two values is divisible by 6. 6 is common, then x plus 2. So x plus 2 into x plus 6. Then length is equal to x plus 2 and breadth is equal to x plus 6. Second method that we can solve area is equal to length multiplied by width. Now length is equal to x plus 6 and breadth is equal to x plus 2. Multiplying both values x plus 2 into x plus 6. X is multiplied by x plus 6 and 2 is also multiplied by x plus 6. We can write that x into x plus 6 plus 2 into x plus 6. X multiplied by x square plus 6x plus 2x plus 12. Now adding the values, then x square plus 8x plus 12. So the area of rectangle is x square plus 8x plus 12. Then best of luck in next video with next lesson. Take care.